Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 GMC Yukon Denali equipped with a 6.2 liter. On the front end of the vehicle we have our HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 6.2 liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 20-inch aluminum wheels, heated power folding mirrors with blind spot alert, as well as keyless entry. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as a power liftgate that gives us access to the 15.3 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands up to 94.7 cubic feet thanks to the power folding second and third row seats. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as a Bose audio sound system, and our heads-up display, lane keep assist, automatic four-wheel drive controls, as well as our automatic headlight controls with automatic high beams. This Denali is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as OEM all-weather floor mats. We also have a heated steering wheel, forward collision alert with low-speed automatic braking, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is push-button start, and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are tri-zone climate controls, as well as a wireless charging pad. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have our remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our heated folding second row captain's chairs, as well as third row seating that allows for seating for up to 7 people. And finally, we have our rear climate controls.